So guys, I'm about to clean my jewelry. I just saw this formula on YouTube. Mind you, I did a formula similar to this, minus the baking soda and the salt, but I just did the joy in the hot water and I boiled my jewelry. But guess what happened, guys? My birthday necklace my mom bought for me, because the water, something was wrong with the water that I bathed in, it turned it. And this is my Pandora jewelry that I got when I was on my vacation to Florida, my Florida vlog. Watch that vlog and leave that vlog above. But the necklace I was waiting so long to get and purchase already turned. It's still in silver, but like I said, the water was, let's not talk about it. But anyway, I searched YouTube to find a different formula to clean my silver jewelry. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna clean right now, so stay tuned for this video. Alright guys, so this is the formula here. She used baking soda, a teaspoon of baking soda. She used salt, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of everything. She used Dawn, but I don't have any Dawn, so I'm going to be using Joy. This is what I have. And let me just show you guys my jewelry that was tarnished. Look at that. This was sterling silver, you guys. This was pure silver. My Pandora jewelry I just got from the Pandora store when I was in Florida for my vacation, and it's already tarnished because of the water. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw that in there, and one of my David Hume bracelets that I always wear on my hand, that never comes off my hand, also got tarnished in that water. And as you can see, it's tarnished as well. That never comes off my hand, you guys. So I decided to throw in another Pandora bracelet. I'm gonna throw in this one. I'm throwing my other David Hume bracelet, this one here, you know, just to clean my jewelry. And then my name tag bracelet that says Be Unique. Throw that inside there as well. But it's mainly because of my tarnished Pandora, very new birthday present. So we're gonna do this right now and walk you through what's gonna happen. The water boiling on the stove. Let me turn this down because I don't want it to get so hot. Let's turn it down. If you guys hear something in the background, that's my wash machine. I'm so sorry. So I'm turning it down. I'm gonna put the Joy in there, the salt and the baking soda. All right, guys, it's a teaspoon of everything. So we're gonna put the Joy in first. Tablespoon of Joy. Okay, we're pouring the Joy in there. Not mixing it yet. And then we're going to put a tablespoon of salt. I suggest that you measure, guys, just to be, you know, accurate. And then finally, a tablespoon of baking soda. Watch how this is gonna flare up when I put this in the pot. Bam! Explosion! Now I'm placing my tarnished jewelry in the pot. The pot is hot, by the way, very hot. And we're going to wait 10 minutes until it gets to almost a boiling point. And then we can let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So this is how it looks after it's been boiling for 10 minutes. As you can see, it is clearing up through the water. And I'm going to further enhance it or clean it by using a toothbrush. And you can see this one is new, fresh out of the pack. So I'm going to scrub it after I take it out of the pot. This is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna have to do some more to my David Hume bracelet, though. The other one, the one I'm brushing right now, that one's not really biting into this formula. But I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna use to get that a little bit more brighter than it is right now. So my next step is to actually scrub my jewelry. I'm taking it out to scrub them individually. Laying them down on this hand towel, and you can clearly see there is a big difference. I'll put a picture on the screen of how the comparison of how it looked before and how it's looking right now. So I'm just gonna scrub them individually with my toothbrush. This one doesn't look as clean, but as you can see, this step must be done so you can get it to look silver and shiny. And all I did was individually scrub them with a toothbrush. I use the same water that is in the pot, and I scrub them individually to get a smudge. So you will see, like, when I keep scrubbing, it's gonna get really, really smudgy. It's just like the steps you take when you bathe your skin. You would scrub yourself, you would rinse yourself, and you would dry yourself. So that's what I'm gonna do with the jewelry. So the boiling was only to break up the tarnishing or the tarnish areas, and then the scrubbing is basically, you know, to finish clean it and polish it. So as you can see, it's getting really smudgy there, and it's also getting more silver. You can see the silver peeping through. Now you'll see better when I rinse it off, but this is just to, like I say, finish polish it up. I'll show you guys. I'm doing this individually, making sure that I get every single link on here. This is my Pandora bracelet that I'm cleaning as well. It wasn't tarnished in the water, but it could have needed some cleaning, so that's why I opted to take this one out of my jewelry box to clean along with my Pandora necklace. I invest a lot in my jewelry, you guys. If you guys don't, that's on you. This bracelet in my hand, this is David Yurman. This is almost $600. This was like $575 that I got from David Yurman. So I'll be damned if I allow $600 to go down the drain. So here I am scrubbing it away to clean it off. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys I had to take an extra step with this one because this formula didn't really bite this jewelry. It bit the other ones, though. The other ones were clean. But this one, as you can see, I'm spending more time scrubbing this one. So I realized that I had to use just a baking soda and scrub it. Let it boil, soak overnight and scrub it after I let it soak. This is my other David Yurman jewelry. This was like over $500 as well. I have these jewelry for years, you guys. So I invest in my jewelry. I take care of them because it is an investment. A huge investment. And I love jewelry, especially David Yurman and Pandora. This one is my name tag necklace, Be Unique, that I got from a different jeweler. This one really bit quickly to the formula. I had no problem getting this back to where it was. It wasn't as tarnished, but yeah, you can see it's really silver, back to where it's supposed to be. I love my jewelry to be shiny and silver. Look at that, just shining. Be unique, baby. I'm going back to my original reason why I even did this video, because this was tarnished and I was so upset because I just got this for my birthday present for my mom. Oh my god, I was so upset when I saw it. So I said, yeah, this is gonna be a video. I'm gonna show you guys how to get your jewelry back. And yeah, so again, like I said, I'm just scrubbing this same bracelet that was giving me the most trouble to getting back where I wanted or I needed it to be. So stay tuned to the end. You're gonna see that jewelry is gonna be very shiny with just the raw baking soda and water. That's what we gotta do, guys. There's so many different methods on YouTube where you can clean your jewelry. You don't really have to go to the jeweler if you don't want to. I mean, they give you a better clean, but if you can't get there, because I know I can't at this time, you can do it yourself, DIY. Right now, I'm rinsing it off. We're ready to finish bathing our skin. Now we're going to rinse the soap off our skin, of our jewelry. Dip. That's that one. I'm going to rest it on a clean napkin. I'm going to dip all of them and then the rest to rinse it off. And then I'm going to use a dry napkin to dry it individually. So try this, guys. Look at your jewelry box and see what jewelry needs to clean, and, you know, get to work. I'm really impressed by this necklace because I really thought it was going to be tarnished forever. But I know it's real silver, so Yeah, I thought I didn't have the formula to do this, but I'm so happy I got it clean. Oh my god. This was a struggle. Yeah, that was a struggle right there. That was a struggle. I think because of the material that this David bracelet is made out of, it wasn't able to, yeah. Anyway, wait till the end, guys. So I'm going to dry it off individually, like I said, with another clean hand towel, just to dry it and to semi-polish it so you can see the true color of it. And we're so done. So this is how it's looking, you guys. And here's a picture of how it looked before and how it's looking now. It's cleaned. It is so clean right now. I'm so happy. It's cleaned. It took me all but 10 minutes, I think. Well, the most time was spent boiling the jewelry, cooking it in a pot. All right, that's it, guys. As you can clearly see, there was a change in the color of my jewelry. I'm so glad I did this instead of waiting until I get it clean professionally by the jeweler. So just a quick DIY in case you tarnish your silver jewelry or gold jewelry for that matter. Now I must say that the water did not tarnish my wedding ring. My wedding ring was white gold. What I cleaned there was silver. It was 925 silver between Pandora and David Human, and then a different silver chain I got from somewhere else. But my wedding ring was not tarnished at all, so I'm kind of glad it didn't tarnish that. But it's clean. I'm sweating inside my kitchen, guys, and here it's hot. It's clean. So try this at home. If you have some tarnished silver that you want to clean, you can use Dawn. You can use any kind of dish liquid that you have. Joy, doesn't matter. Make sure you use baking soda and, of course, salt with it. And let it boil for about 10 minutes. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Wash it off, dry it, and you have your clean jewelry. But that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching my channel. That's my machine in the background making that noise, so disregard that. Make sure you keep striving, keep reviewing this up, because I believe in you. And if you are still here on this planet, you say God's not yet, so keep looking footage and for you guys, and God bless you. Bye, guys. All right, guys, so this is the David bracelet that I told you that was giving me a harder time, and I was able to clean it off with just the baking soda and the water. So as you can see, it's clean now. Very clean. Let me show you guys how it looks without the light, and that's it right there. So it's so clean. Very clean. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. See you guys later. Mwah.